a strap that goes around your back and hooks up on the side, guys. Make sure this one is tight, okay? Tight.
We booked our snorkeling excursion with Fury Water Adventures along with our parasailing excursion. Watch this video for tips and to know what to expect as an amateur snorkeler or when going on this excursion with kids. The excursion begins at Opal Key Marina in Key West, where we boarded a catamaran and set sail towards the Florida reefs. We were handed our snorkel gear while boarding the boat, and the ride is amazingly beautiful as the water is pristine aqua blue. Be sure to enjoy the upper deck. Our kids loved trying to walk up there. If you are going on this excursion with young children, remember that you're 7 miles into the ocean and the currents can be strong and challenging. Our 8-year-old was initially intimidated, but later had a lot of fun, and he saw some fishes too. Our 3-year-old was not allowed to get onto the water, which I would recommend, so one adult had to stay on the boat with her at all times. As a casual snorkeler, you can take turns watching the young ones, but there is not enough time if you want to go see the reefs. The currents were so strong that most people ended up sticking close to the boat and hanging onto the ropes that are used to anchor the boat. But you can still see a lot of fishes right near the boat. You don't have to go deeper in. If you intend to go all the way to the reefs, be amongst the first to leave. Only when I was a bit far from the boat did I start seeing some corals and some cool fish. The Florida Reef is the only living coral barrier reef in the continental US. It is also the third largest coral barrier reef system in the world. The crew can help you with the general direction towards the coral reefs. As I continued to get farther from the catamaran, I was amongst the very few people who had gone that far from the boat. And that is when I started seeing some good number of fishes. This particular shot here made my day as I got to see parrotfish up close and also this formation with blue tanks around it. The water also gets shallower as you go farther from the boat, which increases the visibility. I have seen other videos of snorkeling in Key West on YouTube, and they are very different from what I got to see. This is not what I was expecting, but still the overall experience was great. Maybe it was not the same location as the other people went to. Also, I'm not an experienced snorkeler. After about 45 minutes, a horn blew off, and that's when I started heading back to the catamaran. On the way back, it is a nice experience to watch the crew as they raise the mast of the boat. The kids had a lot of fun dancing to the music and trying to balance themselves on the deck. This was an afternoon reef and Rita snorkeling excursion, which means they serve margaritas on the way back. Hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you plan your snorkeling excursion in Key West. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.